Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
What's your internet a friend? Hold on.
No, blood clot friend. Nastiness. Mother, father, fuck your brother, fuck your uncle, fuck any of my life. They don't interfere with my life. Just keep quiet and focus, baby. Yeah.
No, me rate you. You're my friend, but anytime I hear some blood clot about skin out pussy, you know, them something them in a warm my name call for them something come do them something there. So me I go address it. You get me? And then your cousin, so you tell her them something there. So me don't want to know when me skin out my pussy to you. So obviously me I go come to you because this a girl pussy not easy for skin out a blood clot. I mean you don't tell us say me and you can't be friends and I have my man. And you did accept it. So me don't know where she get the skin out pussy from. So obviously me have to come because me head at no blood clot when me hear them something there. My pussy too good for come skin out for people me not even know like that. You're crazy. Me not easy get wet. Antoinette has blood clot.
The 10th of blood clot December. Antoinette, you must give me the 10th of blood clot December. So go and beat up your blood clot.
Yeah, so good.
Antoinette, you must give me a blood clot. So go and beat up your
Me want to see you there. What you gonna do? Like how you come to take me home. You see like come in there for that got a party there. You come at a blood clot party there, the 10th then. Like how you are going to the party there, handicap. Me at the other party there. Yeah, handicap son, what you gonna do? And what you gonna do, Uku? Uku, what you gonna do with your bag of blood clot mouth, Uku? At Tuffy 27. Yes, yeah, look friend from her. She don't want a friend from you. Move.
Hello. Puppytail. Easy. Mama adjust the rubber. Mama adjust the cotton button here. Nasty so good blood clot. Ukur. I'ma tell you this. I send a call blood clot Simone name in your mouth and I that me say. I that my blood clot say. That me say.
Ross, how them block?
I don't care if nobody want to block me. My business.
Rub Tuffy, rub. Cause you know me can't blood clot rub. No fight. Rub Tuffy.
Move your blood clot and go. Me and Puss not talk, but me and Simone them different and me and Anto different. So what your blood clot say? What you say? No call her blood clot name in your nasty mouth, nasty stuff.
So you tell her, say, oh, you eat me. So she said this morning, oh, you say, oh, me eat puss, more puss, dead, me eat puss.
Me and I don't want to argue because me and Uku is not no friend.
Lie shut up on the girl.
Me and I no friend. Just those who can't depart any life, but me go over there and tell her, say me don't want she call Simone name in her blood clot mouth and that my blood clot. Hey.
Yeah, girl pussy good over here. My good pussy them a run out. Yeah, run out to blood clot. Tell them Tuffy, real talk to blood clot. I call your friend name and them blood clot move. Bottom. Blood clot. Nobody can beat me in a spoilers. You idiot. And me run spoilers crocodile.
You there?
I see one handicap your man.
Not even look fancy.
I tell you, we are I want to talk to Uku. I swear.
I'm sorry, Sierra.
She
sound like Tava Wood in her stomach.
Yeah, care about ranking Tuffy. All she can't smell it, everybody rank. Yeah.
Blood clot pussy. Suck your mother. I got back.
You know, say.
You
Yeah.
know, say. I got make you cry for blood clot.
Yeah, who that?
And she see me talk back to puss. And she really go over there, so.
Right, just so she there. Right, blood clot, that's Tuffy the right, just so called Tuffy love me like that.
Hello, listen up. Me talk that. Me not afraid for talk. Me tell Susie say to talk back to Puss. That me say. Yeah. Me and Puss a war. Me and Puss did have it. Me and Puss did have it. So when you and somebody have anything, you talk anything out of your blood clot mode, me
Right,
alone big
that's
man.
Right, that's some friend.
Right, that's all.
Blood
You
clot,
see the thing is this door. You see the thing is this door. Puss always a say. Puss always when you see people in a war, she always a believe. She always a believe the other side. But when you